Hello, my name is Dr. Bo, and we're here at Malalag, a town in Davao del Sur, where we're collaborating with some guys from the University of Alaska Museum. We're collecting some bird specimens through the nets in this very diverse area. This study is about bird flu, the continuing research about bird flu. So later on, we'll be taking it down to the shore, and we'll put onto the nets that we've set up, and we'll try and document the activities that we do here for bird flu research.
Yeah, fourth.
Hi, I'm with Tom Braile. He's with the researcher from the University of Alaska Museum, and they're here now in southern Mindanao to do a survey to collect birds through lethal and non-lethal techniques, to be able to collect swabs and some specimens that they sent back for bird flu research.
These are nets for shorebirds, migratory shorebirds, and we've been able to capture probably 10 to 12 species of shorebirds in these at a rate of about 8 or 10 a day, sometimes a few more. We leave them up in the day and at night. Typically I just net at night for them, but we've had some success in the day, so I've gone ahead and had them leave them open during the day. And many of these birds are breed in Siberia, Russia, and some as far away as Alaska, and migrate down through Korea and China and Japan, and then on to the Philippines. We've been working in the Philippines since 2001, screening for bird flu, and so far we've not found any avian influenza here, and so that's good news from international and national perspectives.
Hey, looks like we got one bird on the net now.
Alright, so this is Caligis rupicollis, Siberian breeding bird. Spends the subarctic winter here in the Philippines. I just determine which side the bird flies into. Then I get control of the legs, free the legs from the net. Then I free the wings. Two ways to hold the bird. One the neck hold, one the foot hold. Inside this vial is an antibacterial fluid and a viral preservation fluid, which helps the virus, if the virus is found, to be preserved live until it can be tested in a laboratory. We use essentially what's a Q-tip, and find the cloaca, insert it in the cloaca. Has a little bit of feces on it. Place it in the vial. I'll label that with its catalog number, and then this vial will be placed in the dewar with the liquid nitrogen and transported to a laboratory where it can be sampled for bird flu.